Hello, my name's Tom and I work for Siop Un Stop, One Stop Shop. We just wanted to make a quick video to explain a bit more about what we do and also to see if we can offer you any help. And we also wanted to introduce some of the members of our team. So as I say, I'm Tom and I run the website and social media for Siop Un Stop, One Stop Shop.
Hi, I'm Jack and I'm the coordinator for Siop Un Stop, One Stop Shop.
My name's Zoe and I'm the project's mentor.
We are a free resource funded by the BFI with National Lottery funding. And our purpose is to share training opportunities and industry events within the screen industries in Wales.
We also provide training opportunities with our partners. We also have shadowing opportunities with different productions throughout Wales. And there's also obviously the free mentor service where you can come and get careers advice from me. I've worked in the industry for well over 20 years now. I've worked across different genres, factual, fact-ent, children's, radio and drama. And I've done most jobs from runner up to producer level. So do feel free to check out the website and have a chat with me about different pathways in the industry.
If you're an employer or a training provider that wants to advertise an apprenticeship, a networking evening, a course, a masterclass, a role within your company, then please get in contact through our website. There's a form there to fill out and it is completely free to advertise with us. Our followers are mostly made up of new entrants, people looking to upskill or looking for other opportunities in the industry. So please use our free resource on our website.
If you're new to the industry and are looking for ways in or training opportunities, or if you are looking to upskill or move across to other roles, follow our social media platforms and check out our website because we are always updating with the latest opportunities within Wales. And we also offer short courses with some of our training partners.
You can also contact me via the mentor section on the website where I offer advice to anyone living in Wales who's over the age of 18.
And that's it. So whether you're an employer, a training provider, you're new to the industry and looking for your first opportunity, you're already in the industry and are looking to learn something new, or whether you're just looking for networking events to attend within Wales, give us a follow or please get in touch. We want to work with all of the companies within the Welsh screen industries to bring everything together in one place and provide a one-stop shop for events and opportunities in Wales.